So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw about we just understood what are the conditional operators and the logical operators. But in today's video we'll do the hands-on about the things that we just understood in the last video. So you can check out the video first to get some more information about this video, because it would be really easy to understand this video once you had some basic knowledge of those stuff. And so let's quickly get started with this stuff today. So I'll simply take one variable of name number, just write down the short form, that is num, and I'll shut down here. We'll take the user input from this, that is cout, and also write enter, oh shit, enter a number, and I'll do here and L to get those things into a new line. I don't think so, I'll need that. And there is cin, and here we'll do the number to store the user input in this variable. And now we'll start our work. So first I'll take the if condition, and we'll see about what is the greater than operator, that is a conditional operator. So if the given number is greater than 10, then just give us the output that it is true, or else simply give us it is false, that is cout and false here. So what is this? This is a really simple thing. It will if the number is greater than 10, which the user will input, then just give us the true, or else it will directly go into the false statement. So let's run this program and see. If the entered number is greater than 10, then we need it true. So I'll do here 15, and it is giving us true. That means it's the good thing. And now we can do the same thing with the less than symbol. Yeah. So if the number is less than 10, then give us true, which is the another conditional operator. So yes, the number is less than 9. Oh, sorry, 10. That is 5, and it is showing us true. Now there is some other operator that was less than or equals to. That means if the number is less than 10, then give us true, but it should be equals to 10. So now let's see. If I'll enter the number 9 here, it is going to give me true. But if we remove this equals to here and run the program again, and I'll write down here 10, then it is giving me false, yeah, because it is less than 10. But simply by adding this equals to sign here, and now if I'll input here, hey, what's that? Oh, that was just, I didn't save the program. So if I write 10 now here, what is that? So yeah, let's start again. So if I'll do 10 here, then it is giving me true, because it is saying if the number is from 1 to 10, not just 9, it's if the number is between 1 to 10, then give us true, or else false. So we can go same with this greater than sign, and I'll do here 11 for now. So let's run the program, and I'll write down here 15. It is going to be true. But if I'll write down now 11, then also it is giving me the true. But if I'll remove simply this equals to sign, and I'll enter 11 now, it is going to save the false. So this is how the equals to if you want to include the same number from where you are starting or ending, then you can use the equals to sign. And the next one is not equals to, that is if the number entered is not equals to 11, then give us true. So it is quite simple. If I'll enter 10 here, then I'm gonna get false here. Oh, Oh, it is true because it is not equals to, sorry, my bad. And now if I'll do here 11 as well, then I'm gonna false, because if the number is not equals to 11, then give us true. So I'll do here, oh shit, my bad. If the number is not equals to 11, then give us true, and yep, that did. And the double equals to operator, as we know, if the number is equals to 11. So now what was happening before? If we were entering 11, it was giving us false, but now it will give us true because we have just comparing the value, and yes, it is giving me true. And if I'll enter now 13, then yeah, definitely I'm gonna get false down here because the number is not equals to that. Now, these are the conditional operators that we just had a look on. But what if now I have to compare two conditions at the same time? So now there will be the entry of the logical operators. So yes, so now if I'm doing like the number is greater than 10 and the number should be less than 20, then we should get the value true here. So let's run the program, and right now I'm entering here just 9, so it is giving us false because the number is neither greater than 10 or less than 20. But what if I enter now 15, and it is giving me true because the conditions are being true, both the conditions. And if I'll do simply here or, so now either of the conditions should be true. So I'll change here the condition, that is the number should be greater than 10, and here the number should be greater than 20. So let's see. If I'll enter 15 now, then what I'm getting now? It is giving me true. Why? Because this condition is satisfying and this is not. Now, what if I write down here 9? Then it's giving me false because none of the condition is being satisfied here. So this is how this logical operators works. So in or either of the conditions should be true, then you will get the true, or else definitely you are getting the false. So this was all about the operators, like the conditional operators and the logical operators. So next video we'll go with something else. So do subscribe the channel to get some more informative videos like this, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.